Charlie knows every time she does something wrong. Daddy tells her.
Oh.
Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Charlie! Hi, Mama! Did you do something wrong? Oh. Oh. Okay, Charlie, you're okay. You're not in trouble. You didn't do it. Charlie. Mamas! Hi! Did you do something wrong? Okay, Charlie, it's okay. It's okay. You didn't do nothing wrong. It's okay. It's okay. You're a good girl. You're beautiful. You know why? Because if you did something wrong, what does Daddy say? Okay, stop. Oh. Ooh, Charlie, you didn't do it. You didn't do it. Huh? No? Okay. Look at me, baby. Charlie, easy, good, pretty girl. You're the prettiest little 8-month-old ever. What did Daddy say to you? Did it sound like this?